Okay, we're going to do a little laser engraving here. Let me actually cancel this. Um, so you should be able to see my logo and my signature and date. And I've already framed things up, so let's move over here to the laser. And this is the backing board for the Intarsia project that I've been working on. And we'll do another frame here. So what I want to do is I'm going to put my logo right on the back over there. What I'm going to do here, we're going to start making a little bit of noise in a moment. Actually, let me get this set up, and we're going to go start. And in a second, I'll press yes. But I also have air assist, which moves the, I'll lower it while I'm talking, which moves the air directly down the laser beam, so that'll keep the wood cool, minimize burning and scorching and things like that. So I'm going to crank it up and press go, and then we'll go from there. We'll watch just a little bit. Now this is going to take about 10 minutes, so what I am going to do is put this on pause and hopefully come back when it's almost done. Actually, I decided to give you just another little view as it's slowly getting completed. So let's put this on pause again. And the logo is slowly getting done. You probably can't really see it too well. Come around this side. And we're going to pause it again. And it looks like we're just about done. Waiting for the last little bit to happen. Looks like we're getting to 2023 right now. And there we go. So let me turn that off. And there is the logo. Not too bad.